Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by picking a crisp image or video frame and isolating the windshield because that's where the eyes sit and read reflections. Once done, create 2 new layers, one per eye, and place rough guides to match windshield curvature. You want symmetry, so duplicate and flip one eye if needed, then reduce opacity for alignment. Make sure to lock the background, so you only move the eye layers. This prevents misplacements and saves time as you refine shape and position. Now you'll sculpt each eye to the glass. Draw vector irises and pupils, then use warp or puppet tools to match the windshield's curvature so the eye looks embedded. If the car tilts, add a subtle vertical squash to sell perspective. For video, track 3-6 stable points on the glass and paste the tracking data to the eye layers so they stick. Make sure to parent pupils to irises to keep natural movement. This makes later animation much cleaner and faster. Finish by adding shading, a soft shadow under the eye at about 30% opacity, and a reflection overlay that matches the scene's light. Then animate tiny saccadic movements and blinks. Keep pupil travel under 10% of the iris for believability. If things go wrong, rerun tracking and check that your reference points didn't slip. Jitter over 2 pixels means you should stabilize first. If motion is fast, apply slight motion blur to the eye layers to hide micro artifacts and sell realism.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.